Are you tired of spending hours online without making real money? What if I told you there's an easy way to earn up to $7 per app you install on your phone? Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking to make extra cash, this method could be your next big side hustle. It's straightforward, and anyone can do it. I'll show you step-by-step how to start earning today. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest money-making tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to walk you through a foolproof method to earn money just by installing apps on your smartphone. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine getting paid to download and play a game or install a social media app. It's that easy. Let's get started. The first step is to head over to the Google Play Store and search for the app called EarnX. I've provided a direct link to this app in the description and pinned the comment on this video to make it easier for you. EarnX is a highly rated app, trusted by thousands of users worldwide, and is known for its simple yet effective way to earn money online. Once you've installed the EarnX app, log in using your Gmail account, and you'll be greeted by the app's user-friendly dashboard designed to make your money-making journey as smooth as possible. Once you're logged in, EarnX will instantly reward you with 200 bonus coins just for signing up. How cool is that? The quickest way to start earning is by using the Playtime Games feature. On the EarnX homepage, click on the Play icon, and you'll see a list of games and apps you can download to earn money. This is where the fun begins. Not only do you get to discover new and exciting games, but you also get paid to play them. For example, I found a game called Ludo, which pays you for every minute you spend playing. Yes, you'll earn coins just by playing games. For every minute I played, I earned around 26 coins, and the amount kept increasing the longer I played. In just 6 minutes, I managed to rack up 352 coins. Different games might have different earning rates, so you can explore and find the ones that suit you best. To maximize your earnings, EarnX offers a wide variety of opportunities to earn coins, not just through games, but also by installing and using various apps. For instance, you can install apps like TerraBox, which will reward you with over 3,200 coins simply for installing and signing up. Other apps might pay you per minute of use, making it incredibly easy to accumulate coins, all while discovering new apps and games you might enjoy. One of the best parts about EarnX is that they frequently update their offers, so there's always something new to try. Just remember, most of these offers are for new users only. To ensure you get paid, make sure to register with a new Gmail account and always use the links provided within the EarnX app. This way, you can avoid any issues and ensure you're eligible for the rewards. So what happens after you've earned all these coins? The next step is cashing out, and this part is super easy. From the EarnX dashboard, you can redeem your earnings directly. The app supports multiple payment methods, including bank transfers, PayPal, and other options depending on your country. EarnX is available globally and will show currency options relevant to your country. This flexibility makes it a great platform for users all over the world to start earning right away, whether you're saving up for something special or just looking to make some extra cash on the side. If you want to take your earnings to the next level, here's a pro tip. Invite your friends and family to join EarnX using your referral link. You'll earn a commission on every app they install and use. It's a great way to make passive income without doing any extra work. The more people you invite, the more you can earn, creating a steady stream of passive income that can add up over time. And that's it, folks. If you're ready to start making money just by installing apps and playing games, then download EarnX today. I've left the link in the description and the pinned comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips.